I'm Morton Welsh. I farm here at Nethershield in Ayrshire with my wife and my son in partnership. We have a herd of Aberdeen Angus suckler cows. We run a lot of McHale equipment. We have a McHale baler, which you can see in the background here. We have a McHale rake. We wrap them with a McHale wrapper, and we use a feeder bedder also from McHale. So if this is our F5 here behind me, this is our second McHale baler. The first one we had for quite a few years, very reliable baler, and they told me that this one here would be a better baler than the last one, which it certainly is. We do all our own silage in-house. Between straw and silage in a year we make about 2,000 bales. We've never had any issues even changing from silage to straw. Some of the things I like about it, it's a very greedy baler. It makes good bales. We chop all our bales, and we can also adjust the density of the baler from the control box in cab. The feeder takes away the silage a lot quicker, and as I said before, it makes very good round bales. Very easy to maintain. As with the first baler we had, it's automatic greasers. There's not too many greasers you have to do manually. Our local dealership, which is Ramsey and Jackson, there's only 7 miles from here, and if you need someone on the phone, and they're here in no time at all. I would definitely recommend the F5 to other farmers. Good reliable machine. Nowadays, with the short weather window, well, I say you need to get a machine that's going to be able to go out and do the work on the day that you want it.